welcome back to my channel Inspired with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine, and I know you all are enjoying your days. So uh, so be happy, and I will say that watch my videos because that all are related to the subject topics of the studies, and I I expect that you will also like it. Guys, we are on the way to discuss about the different topics of the sexual reproduction in the human. We have already discussed that what is sexual reproduction, what is the endocrine glands, what are the secondary sexual characters of male and female. Now the time has came to discuss the sexual reproduction in human, in which we will study the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. Sorry, and firstly we will discuss about the whole whole sexual organs of the male parts, and I think in the next video we will discuss about the female reproductive system and their organs. So let's start the topic. The age of maturity, and yes, an individual can be identified that yeah, it has started its reproductive life or not, because those are some basic symbols which symbolizes that yeah, this person or this individual has gotten the sexual maturity and the age of sexual life is started or not. So guys, let's start with the topic sexual reproduction in human with the male reproductive system. Okay, so the method of reproduction, we know that reproduction is a essential process for giving young ones birth, just like of you, for the continuity of life and for the evolution of this species, or for maintaining the life cycle. Okay, so both the parents, male and females, are involved in the sexual reproduction, we know this, but both the parents have different reproductive organs also. Okay, so before describing the process of reproduction, we must have to discuss about the male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs. So guys, this video is going to be very important for you all, because in this video we are going to discuss the male reproductive organs. So let's start. The reproductive organs of the human male are testes, vasa differentia, urethra, penis. Okay, so we will go through all of these points one by one, and for getting full knowledge, continue with me. Okay, so let's start with the first, that is the testes, which is the male reproductive organ. These are two in numbers and somewhere oval in shape. They lies within the scrotum. Okay, the testes produces sperm in very large number. Okay, so this is the testes, which is located inside the scrotum. It is in the oval shape, and which function does it perform? So it has a simple one function, just to produce the sperm in very large number. Okay, so the secondary male reproductive organ is vasa differentia, or sperm duct. As with the name, it is clear that duct means what? Any tube which works the duty of transportation. Okay, which performs the duty of transportation. The duct starts from the testes and joined to the urethra. It carries the sperm to the urethra by the muscular action of its wall. So what's the function of vasa differentia? The function of vasa differentia is that it carries the sperms to the urethra by the muscular action of its wall. Okay guys, now the next organ for the male reproductive organ is urethra. The vasa differentia carries the sperm, receive the fluid secreted by the seminal vesicles. This fluid provides the nourishment to the sperm. Okay, so the mixture of sperm and the fluid is known as semen. What is semen? Semen is the mixture of sperm and the fluid which gives it a sticky nature. Okay, so this ducts open into the urethra. Vasa differentia carries the sperm received by the fluid secreted by the seminal vesicles. Okay, and what function that urethra perform? Urethra mixed a liquid or a fluid which gives the stickiness to the sperm, and this, after mixing of the fluid with the sperm, this liquid is called what? Semen. Okay, so semen carries sperms inside it with the movable liquid which provides the nourishment to the sperm. The next and the last organ of the male reproductive is penis. Okay, urethra lead to a muscular organ called penis. It has erectile tissues and the blood space which causes the stiffening of the penis. It is used to pass urine as well as the deliver of the male reproductive cells, that is called what, sperm, into the vagina of the female body. So penis perform what duty? It behaves like a injector. Okay, so it is used to just inject the male reproductive cells inside the body of the female. So when the penis is come in the contact of the urethra of the female, it helps in delivering of the male reproductive cell. So it is its main functional. So sexual maturity in human male is attained around the age of 14 to 15 years. A human starts reproducing sperm at the age of what, 14 to 15. This is the average age marks. Okay guys, hope you all have no doubt with these topics, and if you have any doubt then please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to sort out that. And thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like this video then please press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for being with me.